TGIS is an 8-day, 64-hour innovative course for current and aspiring social impact practitioners on project design and management. Participants collaborate with peer practitioners to solve real issues using cutting-edge tools and methodologies. Like no other, this course brings together international and Colombian students in one of the most innovative cities in the world, Medellin, Colombia.
I participated in E2E's TGIS workshop this January 2017. The experience was extremely rewarding. I especially enjoyed getting to work with individuals from all over the globe, different levels of experience, students, professionals, Colombians, Europeans. It was really eye-opening and challenged us to communicate in new ways and look from different perspectives.
In addition to classroom hours, TGIS offers international students the option to continue their learning and impact with an 8-week internship with local organizations. These internships allow students to apply what they learned in TGIS to actual professional, social, and environmental dynamics in Colombia.
Más precisamente la Comuna 8, y soy líder social hace 12 años, trabajando con la comunidad en diferentes organizaciones y programas que allí se ejecutan. En este momento estamos en el taller de gestión para el impacto social, en el cual estamos recogiendo nuevas herramientas para llevar a nuestras comunidades y poder generar un mayor impacto dentro de nuestro trabajo.
Lo que he aprendido en este taller principalmente es a identificar las necesidades principales para poder llegar como a la problemática con mayor impacto. Entonces realmente todo este proyecto de impacto social va a servir muchísimo en mi gestión, en mi día a día, pero adicional también como ser humano.
TGIS is an unforgettable learning opportunity for anyone interested in working in the social sector. Participants leave the course with a more comprehensive skill set and profound knowledge of strategies and tools essential to making lasting impacts. We've already seen the benefit of our students' participation in the course in various communities. Apply to our next session now at www.fundacione2e.org.